Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make TradingView full screen on mobile. First, launch the TradingView application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, simply select any chart you want to analyze. You will initially see the chart with various toolbars and menus surrounding it, taking up valuable screen space. Our goal is to maximize the chart area for a clearer, more focused view. To activate full screen mode, look for the specific icon on your chart interface. This icon typically resembles a square with 4 outward-pointing arrows, usually found near the top or bottom of the chart. A single tap on this button will immediately expand your chart to fill the entire mobile screen. All surrounding toolbars and menus will vanish, providing an unobstructed view. With your chart now in full screen, you can easily optimize your view. Use standard pinch-to-zoom gestures with 2 fingers to adjust the chart scale, making candles larger or smaller. To move around the chart, simply drag 1 finger across the screen to pan left or right, or up and down. This allows you to focus entirely on price action and indicators without any visual clutter. To exit full screen mode, simply tap the same full screen icon you used to enter it. It often changes to a square with inward-pointing arrows. Alternatively, you can use your mobile device's standard back button or swipe gesture. The main benefit is a significantly enhanced viewing experience, offering maximum chart real estate for detailed analysis and better decision-making on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.